Hi, today on Smells Like Home Cooking we're going to be making this silky smooth delicious butternut squash pasta. As you watch, please remember to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Anyway, this is what you're going to need: butternut squash, pasta, onion, parmesan, some double cream and a bit of nutmeg. Let's start by preparing the butternut squash. Take both the ends off and then slice it down the middle long ways. Then simply scoop out the seeds and discard them. Laying the cut side on the board so it's nice and stable, cut down lengthways so that you end up with 4 pieces. Put these on a tray, drizzle with olive oil and bake in the oven at about 175 degrees C, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the butternut squash are cooking, they'll take about 40 minutes, let's chop up the onion. We'll dice it up like this, and then it just needs to be fried until soft. Once you've softened the onion in some olive oil, then simply add it to a blender. Add in some grated nutmeg and then a glass of water, and then the grated Parmesan. Test that the butternut squash is soft with a fork, and once it is, take it out of the oven, allow it to cool slightly and then scrape out the filling from the skin and discard the skin. Pop all this filling into the blender with the other ingredients. Finally, if you prefer, you can substitute the cream for sour cream or yogurt. Once you've given this a good old blend to make it lovely and smooth, it should look something like this. It turns lovely and silky and makes you just want to try it, which you should do, and adjust the seasoning. Now we make the pasta. Here's a neat trick: get your spaghetti, give it a twist and put it in the pan. Release it and it should fan out like this. This helps stop the pasta sticking together. Put it on the heat and give it a bit of a stir, and then cook it according to the packet instructions. Once the pasta is cooked to your liking, add about half the sauce to the pasta and give it a good mix. Any remaining sauce can be frozen and used at a different time. I like to serve this just as it is, with a dash of olive oil and some grated Parmesan, maybe a splash of black pepper as well. But you can have some vegetables accompanying it if you like. Something green might be nice. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this lovely silky smooth butternut squash pasta. It's great for a family night or even just as a starter. And we'll see you again soon on Smells Like Home Cooking.